Hi, Queen. This is Sergey. I just want to mention what we just talked about on the backside and show you a little bit what is going on the backside of the TrinityHardwood.net website. So here it is. I put it in my tool. Well, the most important thing is how the website is being found. And organic keywords, most of them includes Trinity, the word Trinity, which is not good, meaning that people already looking for you, but they should be looking for a product instead. So, for example, if you remove Trinity, then you're in a good place for hardware distributors. I'm sure what's going on here, but the rest of it is actually doesn't look that good. You have hardware distributors Inc., and you're already on 11th position, and hardware Dallas, Texas, you're on 21st, so people don't find you on Google. But anyway, so that's one of the issues that, I'm not sure who developed your website, but you're not being found in a search correctly. Another thing is that I was talking about, if you go to top pages here, top pages indicate that you have this kind of pages associated with your domain. That's what I was talking about. When you press it, it's a blog post with a bunch of links. Some of them are internal links, some of them going to somewhere else you probably don't want to be linked to. I found some of them, like even Russian sites. Let's see where this one gets us to. All this stuff is actually hurting your reputation with Google. A lot of different links, not sure why and how the developer of the website used it. Look what you connected to. Lots of links. So masters and seminars. Most of those links are broken, so it's not looking good for Google. Anyways, so this is one of the pages like this. This is another page like this. That doesn't make sense based on the product you're selling. Another page like this. Oh, look, monitoring contractor perf. What is all that? And most of these links are not getting you anywhere. Anyway, so that's what I mean by this weird block. Well, as a bonus, let me take a look at your other website that you mentioned, TexasTraditionFlooring.com. I'm sure you would like to sell the floor and be found for, as a flooring distributor or supplier in Texas or anything like that, but you are being found when you put that in a tool. If I look at the organic keywords, you are being found for Texas Traditions Flooring, which is kind of makes sense, but doesn't give you any business. Texas Tradition Molds, Trinity Hardwood, and some TP brands. But you should be found for different stuff. You should be found for Texas flooring whenever people are looking for it. And the reason why you're not is because your content is not kind of correct and other issues going on with the website. But anyways, that's what I wanted to share with you. If you have any further questions, we can discuss. And I could just share my screen with you and we can click through the background of different websites or web pages that you interest. Just to give you an example, I found one of your competitors that is doing pretty good in the organic search. That's what you should be working towards, in my opinion. Look, it has 10,000 organic keywords, but bringing them a lot of business. Whenever people or companies or distributors, retailers looking for this type of things, if you look at the keywords that they are on the position 1, look, discount flooring stores near me, the volume is around 700 per month for that, and then position 1, carpet outlet near me, flooring Dallas, first position, Dallas flooring warehouse, first position. Look, they're doing great. This is what you should, your website should be found for in the Google search. And that's how you get lots and lots of customers. Anyways, yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Bye.